Hello, with that short video we would like to show you how two buttonsens low force can be used to measure in vitro the forces on a snaffle bit or on the bit of a bridle in vitro, in between the soft tissue and the bit. This is not made for measuring the forces in between the teeth and the bit. The dimensions of the bit we are using here on the outer side, it's about 16 millimeters. On the inner side, it's about 15 millimeters. We are measuring here with 100 frames per second, and the maximum force, as one can see here, is about 15 Newton. So please note that I'm very gently pressing on the sensors, and here we see it for the left side. Here we see it for the right side. The colored curves, the greenish colored curves, are for left and right side, and the red curve shows the forces on both sides together. If you need further information, please feel free to contact us at novell@novell.de. Thank you very much. Bye bye.